guys, welcome to reveal number 2. Yesterday we shared what was in your junior box of the month. I made this super cute card. So if you missed that video, you can go back and watch. I love how this turned out. I used the stamp that you'll get in your junior box. This is Farmer's Market Pumpkin. It is so cute. So what's in your box of the month? So you're getting a sample of this pack here. This is beautiful fall A2 card fronts. This will be available in the shop on August 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. I flipped through this in the previous videos. If you want to see all the beautiful images up close, head on over to the video from yesterday. So the remaining items that will be in your box of the month, you're getting the sample pack. You get 6 fronts, so you get that. You'll get all the items that were in the junior box, so the Pumpkin Market ephemera, the Pumpkin Market paper pad, and the Farmer's Market Pumpkin 6x6 stamp sets. And then you'll be getting this 6x8 stamp set. How cute is this? I'm going to color up some of these images today and create a card. We've got this girl holding a cup. Could be hot apple cider, coffee, hot cocoa, tea, whatever you want it to be. It's pretty basic. We have gorgeous images. Especially love this one with the pumpkin and the little scape. We've got like a flower vase, some candles, a latte, and some leaves spread out. This one's so cute with the cat on the knitted rug. There's a book there, a candle, a pumpkin, and some leaves. We've got a little book stacked up with a cup of something hot on top, a leaf on the side. We've got apple spice candle, a little acorn, a little knitting ball there, and we have some cozy slippers with a nice cozy chair, a throw pillow, and a throw blanket, and some great sentiments. Slow down and savor the season. I love that, to remind somebody to take time for themselves. Hello fall, I've been waiting for you, wrapped in warmth. That would be so cute with this little kitty or the chair. We've got so many reasons to be grateful. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. I love that. Frost on the pumpkins, leaves everywhere, warm up the cider, fall is in the air. So love that. And this would be a great focal point on your card. So great stamp set. I am going to color something up. So what am I going to color today? Leave that in the comments down below what you would like to see me color. Maybe I'll color that one up next. And then for the paper and the ephemera, we have fall florals and pumpkins and cider. So beautiful collection here. Love the burgundy in this collection. So let's take a look at this paper pad. Look at how gorgeous that is. Absolutely love that. So pretty. Ooh, look at that. Looks like gold. Really nice neutral here. Nice pattern. Looks like texture. Great for adding some texture to your card without adding any bulk. This is gorgeous. Love these colors. So pretty. Here's a lighter, almost like a peach. Really pretty. That's really pretty. Ooh, this green's really pretty, a sage. And then like a gray. Love this paper pad. really unexpected, like really unique color palette. I love it. So let's move this to the side. I'm going to lay out all the ephemera that goes with this. And these two collections are available for individual purchase as well. Releasing on August 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. Don't forget, you can subscribe to our box of the month or purchase it as a one-time purchase. When you subscribe, you get 18% off. You get a nice juicy discount to shop all month long at the Not Too Shabby shop. You get your box delivered to you automatically every 30 days from the date you purchased. It's a really great subscription. I do have maybe 5 spots open, so if you are interested in subscribing or grabbing that box, head on over on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time, nice and early, to snag up that box. If you subscribe, you'll reserve the September box, and you're not going to want to miss September. Look how cute that cat is. Let me bring this kitty up. All right, I'm going to play some music while I go through the rest of these.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cut and glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Craft until the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Craft in joy that always thrives. Layer tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die cut dreams and warm plaid tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. The rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little.
Okay, so there's all the beautiful ephemera. So pretty. I love these colors. All right, let's take a look at a sample that you're going to get in your box of the month. So these will be random. They'll all be different. You'll get 6. You'll get 6 from the Beautiful Fall card fronts. So for example, you're getting these gorgeous images. You get 6. So let's use a fall florals for our color inspiration. And let's choose one of these images. I really want to color this one. So let's go ahead and do the pumpkin one. I'm going to be playing with the paper and the ephemera during the live stream on the 1st. So join me live on August 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time. We will do some crafting, we'll have some giveaways, and I'll do the full reveal of all the products. So I think I'm going to do this in the center. We'll cut it down to size, but then I want to put a sentiment underneath. I either want to use Slow Down and Savor the Season or Hello Fall, I've Been Waiting for You right underneath this beautiful image, because either one of these sentiments work. Let's do the Hello Fall, I've Been Waiting for You. Okay, I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Let's rub our stamp a little bit. It's brand new.
You know who? Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style.
Okay, that is perfect. I love that. I'm going to do it one more time, but very lightly. I don't want to smush anything. There we go. I love that. There's a spot there I want to get. There we go. That is gorgeous. I'm going to start off with the orange pumpkins. I'm using YR27, YR18, YR16, and YR12.
Pumpkin spice and pattern sheets, crisp fall days and cozy seats. Cutting glue, then stamp some more. Crafting magic I just adore. Cider's warm and the paper's bright. Ephemera tucked in just right. Leaves are falling, oh what fun. Crafting till the day is done. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Crafting joy that always thrives. Layered tags and shaker flair. Autumn love is in the air. Die-cut dreams and warm play tones in my crafty pumpkin zone. Ooh, blah, blah, go. Foxes, mugs, and sweater stamps. Fall colors glowing like little lamps. From leafy garlands to thankful cards, each one made with all my heart. Candles flickering, twines in place. That rustic charm, that paper grace. Every scrap's a little gold. A story of fall just waiting to be told. Pumpkins, paper, cozy vibes. Layered love in every stripe. Harvest hues and glitter too. Craft in fall with you-know-who. Apple pie and handmade bliss. Fall crafting's too sweet to miss. So grab your glue and stay a while. Let's make fall magic, not too shabby style. Ooh, da-da-da-da.
Grab your glue, it's that time of year. Pumpkin vibes and crafty cheer. Paper pads with foxes and trees. Ephemera that's sure to please. We've got hedgehogs, mugs, and leaves. Cocoa cups and cozy sleeves. Fall in love with every pack. You wanna craft and never look back. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. Crafty bliss that just won't cease.
Rustic colors, gold and spice. Crisp designs that look so nice. Die-cut pumpkins, woodland flair. We've got new goodies everywhere.
Add some twine and a belly band. That fall box fits right in your hand. Make a gatefold card or treat with paper this cute you can't be beat. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy.
Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade
grab your stash and let's begin. For craft and joy from outside in. So grab your stash and let's begin. For craft and joy from outside in.
I'm going to add some white Jelly Roll details after I trim this out. I'm going to layer this up so there's some pretty florals on the top and the bottom. And I think the colors match really well. I hate to cover up that beautiful rose in the middle, but what I love about the Not Too Shabby paper is you usually get 4 sheets of each design. So I'm just gonna center so it's kind of even on the top and on the bottom. Before I add this to my card base, I'm going to take some Love for Lizzie peel off strips and I'm going to put this gold on the bottom and on the top. I'm going to wrap it around.
It feels like falling, not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. It feels like falling, not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy. Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end. Crisp like leaves and sweet like pie. Our fall release will make you sigh. Our fall release will make you sigh.
I'm going to take a white Jelly Roll pen and just add a few little shine marks for this pumpkin. Let's top this off with some sparkling enamel dots from the Cutesy Halloween pack. I think this pink looks really nice with this. Okay, let's take a closer look at the card. I think it turned out really cute. Love that burgundy color. So meet me back tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Time, for the reveal of your paper pad club and your stamp of the month. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.